What's the meaning of club sandwich? Club sandwich. Club sandwich.
Club sandwich. Club sandwich. A club sandwich is a type of sandwich that usually consists of 3 slices of bread with layered fillings such as cooked poultry, bacon, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. The bread is often toasted and the ingredients are typically stacked in 3 layers separated by toothpicks for presentation. It is a popular choice for many restaurants, cafes, and diners around the world and is known for its satisfying and filling nature. It is commonly served with a side of fries or chips, making it a classic meal option for many people.